Hello everyone. In this video we are going to focus on sharing in ratio. There's 6 slides and I am kindly asking you to pause the video at any point that you deem it necessary in order for you to complete your note-taking. All of the concepts involved are concepts that must be mastered for the successful completion or impartial fulfillment of the BJC mathematics. I encourage you to pay attention, make notes, do additional practice, and ask your questions where necessary. I will provide you with answers to the best of my ability. Let's go. Sharing in proportion ratio. Sharing in ratio. Pause the video at any time where you deem it necessary. We want to share 10 pounds between Mandy and Laura in the ratio 3:2. Remember, this video will only reflect one of the possible ways to calculate the ratio. The quantity that each of these ladies received, it's just one of the ways we can do the same. We can perform our operations here by using different methods. So using the methods here, these are the steps we will follow. 3, 4, 5. That's our total. Amount in one part is equal to 10 divided by 5, which gives us 2 pounds. 2 each will give us a total of 10 when we add them together. See Mandy's share, 3, and Laura's share is 2. So the red 2s, they represent what Mandy is going to get in total, and then those with the green border, they represent what Laura is going to receive. And it's a similar method that we use throughout the examples in this video. Okay? You may use this method, or you may use the method that you are most comfortable with using. Not a problem. Once you are logical, and once you are correct in your operations, you will be able to gain total points. Let us look at another example. What you will notice, each example is being done using the same method. Good. Again, another example. This time the ratio has 3 parts. We were earlier looking at 2 parts. Do you see anything different so far? Nothing is different. 10 parts. So we have 10 rectangular boxes. And when we add those 30s together in those 10 boxes, we must get our weight of 300 grams, which we originally started with. So we can check the proportion of flour to margarine to water. That brings us to the end of this video. Time to practice. Go right ahead and get your practice done, guys. Practice.